Catch up, Nate. There you go. Perfect.
It's beam day here at Everything Residential. This is the largest beam we've installed to date, a 30-foot glue lam beam. The CAC and Nate the Great putting it in. Check this video out. You're going to love it. Savage out.
Step number one is going to be to remove a 3x3 footer here and on the other end of where our load-bearing posts are going to be for that beam.
The reason we grinded the grout lines is because they're keeping this old tile, so we want to make sure we have a clean break. That way they can put the new tile up against our post or our new wall, and it's just the right way to do it.
COVID here, gotta wear a mask. Just kidding. Call me the savage.
Call me the savage. Okay, we finally got the footer dug out. I mean, this thing's pretty deep. Let's measure here. The drawing says 3 feet by 3 feet. So we go, see, we're at 37.5. Let's go this way. And we are at 40. So therefore, there's no questions asked when they actually, the inspection comes out and they say, hey, you know, no. We go above and beyond here. Now let's take a look at these drawings here real quick. Sweat it a little bit here. So you can see the detail right here. This is without the seal. We don't want to give his information up, but this is all sealed and permitted. Number 7 shows, if you zoom out here, 18-inch thick by 3 foot square. And you can see here it's going to be number 4 rebar. Probably 3 of them every direction, I'm assuming. Build a little cage, 18 inches deep. Now let's talk about depth here. Over here, we are at 19.5. Over here, we're at 20 and 21 over here. So we just go deeper. That way there's no questions asked. But I want to show you guys. So 3 feet by 3 feet by 3 feet is a cubic yard. This is half a cubic yard. 3 feet by 3 feet by 1.5 feet would be half a cubic yard, if my math's not mistaken. I want to go outside and show you guys what half a cubic yard of dirt and concrete looks like. This right here is half a cubic yard. I mean, that's a lot of freaking dirt right there. I thought the tarp was going to be big enough for both footers, but this is just for 1 footer. So we're actually going to get another tarp out here and do another one, another whole pile of dirt. But there you go, that's half a yard. So now we know we're going to order, you know, 1.5 yards of concrete total, because it's half a yard, and a half yard would be 1 full yard for everything. So we're just going to order 1.5 just to be safe. But there it is. First footer is poured, kind of cleaned up the area, pulled our tarp out, wiped the tile down, and just let it sit and dry. Looks dry. Check this out, a little Marshall. Brings the cream right up.
As you see above me, the existing wall or the beam holding up our rafters. Come on behind here. All these wires and everything will be raised up. We'll cut those joists, and the actual new beam we're installing is going to be into the attic.
I can take it for that. Thanks. Out here at the lumberyard, R&K, getting our 6x6s, all the 2x4s we need. We got a jack to help lift it up. Everything's ready to go. See you on the job site. Here we go, we're cranking it up now. Walls braced, go ahead. Do it at the same pace. You're going a little faster, Nate. Catch up, Nate. There you go, perfect. We got this right here to line it up and guide it in, if you can see.